Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Dollar Tree haul. It's actually my first time going to the Dollar Tree since I've been back from my recent trip. So I'm super excited and I'm hoping to make a trip to the other Dollar Tree in where I live tomorrow. Pretty sure that primarily what I have today is makeup. And I'm super excited about that because I think I have enough makeup to do a new testing of Dollar Tree makeup soon, hopefully. So anyways, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store and Dollar Tree oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that is your thing, you are definitely in the right place. And if you're returning, thank you so much for returning and your continued support. So as always, I'll have relevant content, playlists, videos down below in the description box. That way you can binge watch more videos like this. I do have a lot of Dollar Tree hauls that I have done, so definitely go and give those a binge watch. And without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So I posted a recent walkthrough and these items are what I found when I filmed that walkthrough. Of course, if you missed that, there's lots of items that I didn't buy. I'll have that link down below. So the first item, and I think this is like my only non-makeup item, is one of these like plastic pet placemats. And they have like little paws on them. I don't know if you can see it on camera. They're a really good size. I don't know how big. I would say maybe a little over a foot wide and maybe a foot tall. And I actually have two of these already in gray that I keep like they're my cat's like food containers and like water containers. They do a really nice job at like keeping the water and the mess, especially the water. I don't like the water to get like into my wood floors. So it does a really good job at catching the water. It's got like a little lip on the end of it so it stays put. And this one here I actually purchased for my humidifier. I keep it on like a little table in the corner of my bedroom, and I was wanting to, and of course water does, you know, when I'm filling it, water will end up on the table. So I wanted to put this underneath to kind of prevent any damage. So yeah, so this is the third one I repurchased. Like I said, I've seen white and I've seen gray. So yeah, definitely comment below if you use these for your pets or if you found other uses for these. Definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, so time for the makeup. So I had been looking for this and luckily my closest Dollar Tree had it and I'm so excited to use it, you guys. So I've done a couple different like IONI makeup videos. I have a recent one I did, I'll have a link down below. They didn't have this when I found all that makeup. So this came to my store a little bit later. It is the IONI 2-in-1 Everlasting Lash Glue Liner. And it is in black. It's a precise felt tip, all day wear, vegan and latex free. So I've never really used a product like this and I am so excited, you guys. Of course I wear false lashes often. So it comes in this little pink container, super cute, just like all of their products are always really cute. And this is the felt tip. So as far as being like a liquid liner, that is amazing. And it's sticky. It is sticky. So next time I test out new makeup, I will definitely be trying this. I don't know how it'll work, so we'll just have to see. I bought two of them just because if I really liked it, I wanted to have another one, just in case we didn't see it again. But anyways, I did buy two. Comment down below if you've used this yet, and I hope the news is good. So I've recently been coming across some Ardell makeup at the Dollar Tree. And I think I had seen these before, but for whatever reason didn't pick them up. Probably I wasn't crazy about the shade. I don't know, but I bought three of them today, 3 different shades. It's the Ardell Irresistible Eyeshadow Stick. So they look like this. I got 3 shades. I got like a brown, a black, and like a bluish shade, it kind of looks like. Let's see what the shades are. Slade is like the blue one, Smoky Black, and Yearning. So let's go ahead and swatch them. So they are retractable, which is really cool. And they did go on pretty creamy and pretty pigmented. There are the 3 shades. So yeah, we will definitely give these a try. So I actually recently shared I was up in New Hampshire visiting a friend of mine, one of my best friend, and she's been talking to me about the Thrive eyeshadow sticks. She has quite a few of them. She loves them. I've never used them, but they look really awesome. So these probably aren't as good as those. So if you've tried either one of those, definitely let me know. So yes, super excited to try those in a future video. So yesterday, my store had quite a bit of Wet n Wild eyeshadow. So I actually picked up 3 different color stories of this Wet n Wild, Color Icon, I guess, Eyeshadow Trios. So they come packaged like this, and of course we're gonna swatch them. So they're just 3 little, you know, Eyeshadow Trios, and they actually do not have like shade names on them. I do not know why, but they don't. And they actually, oh wait a minute y'all, they actually have 4 shades in them. When you open them up, they have 4 shades. Very cool. So here they are. So they're actually, I guess you could say they're quads. So here's this color story. It doesn't show up a whole lot because my skin is pretty tan. You get that shimmer down there, which is beautiful, and then that top shade. But very, very, very neutral color story, so we will definitely be trying that at some point. Actually, that shimmery shade is really beautiful. This one fits my skin tone a little bit better. It's kind of got like a matte purple, and then that bottom one is a little bit shimmery. And then you've got those kind of neutral shades in the middle, super, super pretty. And then this last one here is kind of like these earth tones. It's got 3 neutrals and like that green, which is a little bit shimmery, kind of more satiny. And so this one here might actually, I think this one here might actually be my favorite. And then I'm thinking this is like my second favorite, the one with the purples in it. And then this is probably my last favorite. But anyways, we'll definitely be trying them soon. And I actually got 2 of the color stories for a future giveaway. My 2 favorite I actually picked up, the one with the green and the one with the purple. So these will be going in a future giveaway. I will have a 3,000 subscriber giveaway soon. I just want to get a little bit closer to that number, and I've got some really amazing items that I have been collecting from the Dollar Tree, but also Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all that kind of thing. So super excited about that coming up soon. But anyways, that is all for today. I did want to share this new makeup with you all. I'm super excited to use it soon in a future video, and I will have my Dollar Tree haul playlist linked up here if you want to see more Dollar Tree hauls, as well as my Dollar Tree makeup playlist. It's where I have any kind of Dollar Tree makeup videos. Make sure you give this video a like. It helps me and my channel out so much. Also share this with anybody you know that loves the Dollar Tree and loves Dollar Tree hauls. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.